Welcome to Vintage Wheels Quiz, where classic cars and sharp minds meet. Today's challenge? Guess the classic convertible. Here's how it works. First, you'll see a photo of a classic convertible, no hints, no options. Guess it correctly and earn 3 points. Then you'll see 4 options. Choose right and earn 1 point. Let's see how many you can name. Ready? Let's go! Which of the following is the correct model? Option A, 1955 Oldsmobile 88. B, 1955 Buick Special. C, 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. D, 1956 Chrysler Windsor. The correct answer is B, 1955 Buick Special. Choose the correct model from the options below. Option A, 1958 Buick Limited. B, 1957 Oldsmobile 98. C, 1959 Ford Thunderbird. D, 1959 Mercury Monterey. The right choice is C, 1959 Ford Thunderbird. Select the correct automobile. Option A, 1960 Aston Martin DB4. B, 1960 Alfa Romeo 2000 Touring. C, 1960 Ferrari 250 GT Series 2. D, 1960 Maserati 3500 GT. If you picked option C, you're absolutely right. 1960 Ferrari 250 GT Series 2. Identify the correct model. Option A, 1970 Pontiac Lemons. B, 1972 Buick GS Stage 1. C, 1972 Oldsmobile 442. D, 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. The correct response here is B, 1972 Buick GS Stage 1. Which one is the correct answer? Option A, 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass SX. B, 1971 Pontiac GTO. C, 1970 Buick Skylark. D, 1970 Dodge Charger. That would be A, 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass SX. Choose the correct vehicle. Option A, 1970 Triumph TR6. B, 1970 Jaguar E-Type Series 2. C, 1970 MG MGB. D, 1970 Lotus Elan. The correct selection is B, 1970 Jaguar E-Type Series 2. Identify the correct model. Option A, 1963 Chrysler New Yorker. B, 1965 Lincoln Continental. C, 1965 Cadillac DeVille. D, 1965 Pontiac Bonneville. The answer is C, 1965 Cadillac DeVille. Select the correct car. Option A, 1968 Mercury Cougar. B, 1968 Dodge Charger. C, 1969 Pontiac Firebird. D, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Option C is the winner, 1969 Pontiac Firebird. Which of these is the correct model? Option A, 1953 Jaguar XK120. B, 1953 MGTF. C, 1953 Triumph TR2. D, 1953 Austin Healey 100. The correct answer is A, 1953 Jaguar XK120. Choose the correct automobile. Option A, 1963 Chevrolet Nova. B, 1964 Plymouth Valiant. C, 1964 Dodge Dart. D, 1963 Ford Galaxy 500. The right pick is C, 1964 Dodge Dart. Identify the correct option. Option A, 1961 Rambler American. B, 1963 Plymouth Valiant. C, 1961 Ford Falcon. D, 1960 Chevrolet Corvair. Correct answer? C, 1961 Ford Falcon. Select the correct model. Option A, 1962 Sunbeam Alpine. B, 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mk2. C, 1963 Triumph TR4. D, 1962 MG MGB. And the final correct answer is B, 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mk2. Now, let's see where you stand. Your final score determines your title. Are you ready? If you scored between 0 and 5 points, you're a rust bucket rookie. Looks like your classic car knowledge needs a serious tune-up. Time to hit the car shows and brush up on those classics. If you scored between 6 and 18 points, you're a classic cruiser. Not bad. You definitely know your way around some vintage rides, but there's still room for some fine-tuning. If you scored between 19 and 27 points, congrats, you're a muscle car maverick. You can handle a V8 and you know your classics, but are you ready to go full throttle? If you scored between 28 and 36 points, you're officially a Vintage Wheels legend. You belong in the Classic Car Hall of Fame. Are you secretly a car encyclopedia? Because that was a flawless performance. Did you enjoy the quiz? Let us know your score in the comments and challenge your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car fun.